boy Javon the Don. About to go over Kanye West's Through the Wire. Skip, baby. Yeah, it's the motherfucking Don, nigga. Yeah. Yeah. Flowing Martians, nigga. Yeah. I'm standing on top of the Space Needle, screaming out my fucking lungs. It's the Don, bitch, I'm shooting for the fucking sun. Nobody match me, the hottest in the galaxy. Oh, you the boss, nigga, fuck you and your faculty. Why these niggas hating on me? I ain't even did shit. All my niggas with me, watch how big the kid get. The man on campus and I know you can't stand the shit. High as hell, my clientele, no, I ain't landing shit. And if you think so, get off my link, bro. Eat you niggas like groceries, bitch, no lingo. I'm on my fire flame, no Lil Wayne. I ain't in the game, but shit, I'm in the game. Fake nigga movement, shout out to all the realists. Ain't ever dime going up, so I must kill shit. Rockin' shows and fucking hoes, bitch, that's what I dream about. Keep some bread up on my head, bitch, that's what I think about. Nigga, the motherfucking Don, man. That's what I saw him about, man. Getting this money and getting to this motherfucking dream, nigga. You can't respect that, nigga. Shit, you can't respect nothing, nigga. Fuck with me, though, man. Yeah. You hear me, man?